Here's how to prepare a CRP Series unit for recycling. Disconnect the 1/4-inch poly tube from the push-to-connect fitting on the right side of the timer drain. That's the one that leads from the timer drain to the outlet hub. Remove the strap and lift the manifold to remove it from the drum. There's no need to disconnect any inlet lines or line from the Clean Shop air source. The manifold setup can remain intact for quick and easy attachment to a new CRP drum. Now, you will need to retrieve the recycle kit that was shipped with the unit. If you no longer have the recycle kit, you may contact Clean Resources for us to send you a new one. You will need to plug the hole on top of the drum to prevent oil and water from escaping during shipping. Stuffing an old rag tightly into the hole and securing it with duct tape works nicely. Next, cut the 3/4-inch rubber hose about a foot from the outlet. Insert the small plastic plug from the recycle kit into the hose. Tap it in with a hammer to make sure that it's secure. Finally, go to cleanresources.com and select Recycle from the menu at the top of the page to begin the RMA process. Follow the link in the description for further instructions. That's it! If you still have questions, don't hesitate to contact us at cleanresources.com or call us at 800-566-0402.